Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Sem TV GH so wafreme Ajua searching.
We Ghana nkomo abusuya hwe video we bra taw na yeni nkomo men ko ba bia.
Shall we be outstanding for Gyimie? Please, all photographers, journalists are supposed to.
Serious, pal. Governance in Ghana is at a low ebb. Very serious, pal. See, vigor, any seriousness are you here as a nation to marshal forces for development isn't what some of us are saying. Say comedy na we are not serious. Fanfare aspect our governance mono is what most of these people or when had the chance to lead this country, are much interested in. We now have Commander Basintale, our Youth Employment Agency, no to me ko jina ho no Emma utwa salute ma senior officers in the Ghana Police Service ejina nachi utwa salute adan or Youth Employment Agency Chief Executive Officer and for that matter no ye kwa ko bie sa para police group here no we leader entity sanity our commander wakopam uniform no de ahye Agentua for Ay3ka Germany Hanomwa job agency said the no da Youth Employment Agency ano Ghana no daily enipa omomo omunya adwumaye no thousands of people omomo omunya adwumaye omu Chief Executive Officer Krampo no rare se obohunu na ye hunu ukohunu ohefa obo adwuma Enya salute oko jina baby akwa jene, that is what they take pride in. Enu hia omusa. Ntina makers say there. Comedy na nana. Yemfi sinina ade chi ade sen sini no mba mi ahwesa.
So ebe mu a. Na say,
Commander Basintale.
So
Ghana kafra wate na ode ma men kanfo lemfa ma fi samria ekosi September no promotion kese pa ekoso
na me de nchia kese ema MPP for 18 nyina sanse ade kese bi ba bisi Thursday 28th of August memfa ofidio so enka say His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ekwako filing in nominations party headquarters.
Okay.
And up 8 a.m. I
think I just saw the flyer this morning.
Yes,
on one of our platforms.
Matru Bibi said he's got the zeal to lead.
All right.
The Tosubim Akwetiasema Wodiaba Akwetia 4 and Chiakesi Komamo. When he said by 2nd September around 11 p.m. Now your projections in say the member of parliament elect Honorable Solomon Asumedu. Ay3ka, there has been a comment be a
comment ben.
Yen Yankasa Felix Kwachu Fusu Ekomekie. Say
Ombeje to honor the late
Amane.
Yes.
Me who say entry.
Oh, are they?
Akwenshia Honorable Dr. Omane Boamane Mutala ne omo maka ho nyina akoshia no still Ghana for ye di ho yaw but sebi mojabi nsin mojabi o mojabi ensin mojabi Honorable NS Yakumi ono so abrantia ne ho sisi ne ho so wakota krade akwakoye adwuma wapa pedru enkran Monday na yare tisi ni so yedene call hospital awa mabiem. This is also a tragic life. Well Lucy. Into no de ediana yeso yanyema no. ABC Watermale Central no. A progressive party. Ye do ye mine. Ye do Ghana. Ye concede and I say ye cede that seat to you. Se mo amon famon crofo no mon ko di Tamale Central so. enti se wanye bibi ama wase a yes abone krono wo so woni e be contest yes no problem na wo se ba be kasa tia yenti se de honorable NS Kumino sebi one more brebi anaso ono na wawu afri wiase no ono de osefata se owu
no but Richard I believe says MPP ekudin kunim ewa akwati a it is going to be in honor of NS Yakumi Anambwa.
No correct.
And he said NDC force decided say they are also reclaiming, they are going to claim that seat in honor of Omani Boama.
Sebi Omani Boama oto abawo akwetia. Onto abawo akwetia.
But he's a stalwart of
kasa no kasa no entwa yi. Enti mesre pa because amanfo di hu ya pa o. Member of parliament abrantie so no hwe papa young guy or kasa utim se wa bin ye na adwen kokan onyare onya hwe wakọ adwuma takrade waba e na wato ananamu osiedo na se ne manfo esu akọ yi obi ekoto aba che ne monyo na ensema okikan entwa yi. Number 2, media in my own personal view na I thought say police a friend. Na ekwanya police for the MPP for any Ghana for mabunu afa so besi sabra Ay3ka say. Obi ntimi kan James say police is my friend. Ena asema wo kan ya Ghana for nyina esu hu. Yenya insunsanso bebre afri NDC beye ruling government of Ghana. 19 polling stations in Po. Just 19 polling stations. Yabu Obabesia, former minister of this country, former member of parliament, Etietianoso, the new patriotic party deputy organizer, Yabuno video daman foso. These are the tags Omukobo Sankrofui. Eteki na ahin. Eteki mu radio for amokanu kre. Mu tiatia mu kasaye. Ansana last minute ya omu behu se yebe kwa akotie yi. Mo ba be kan se ya chi nipa nwotwe. Enti police no yera IGP any political party se shia ama omu assurance say akwatia de bibia ensi. But obi a wo waka no sebi osuro sonso no. Enti me no me MPP ni no me sheda mfa me re nyina nkɔhye de police for na kanim yeso ye beboaboa ye ho sanse yen na ye pass emra se yen twa vigilante mu yen nyina ye nim se MPP for ne ye wɔ invisible forces ye wɔ ye delta forces ye dimra so nti ye twa mu sana ye twa mu no na NDC for no hyehyɛ omo de mo hwɛ kwan a omo de fa so in 2024 elections enti se 19 ye kase kitwe kra wantimi andi hu no kre na kese ye de be ma na be de 19 polling stations. Look at what happened. The worst decision ever. Say wasa so police for mako 5,000 kogu kroba kum say ye kwa akoto abenti. Because you are telling the citizenry say bibi boni bibesi. Because it tells me say every corner you pass you will see an armed policeman there. Enti sebi seni pa na be kwa akoto aba no wan hwe obefa so akona afu mu a won kokra because osuro se bibi besi adenti na 5,000 per constituency. Why? I think it's too much, and I'm saying this from a security point of view. So we yes na omusuro se bibi e ba be sinti na modern crofo bebrewe aba begu ha. Enti me de police no omuso ye friend adwempa ba na emum MPP for so yemboa ye ho se de be ya Edani Drew Yanka say Mihu Yanka na kechi.
All right, but I say Richard Gyimie is a member of the MPP National Communications team and yet in Kano Adom 106.3 FM. Honorable Fuseni Donko adjoining or your Deputy Director General National Service Authority. Honorable Martin.
Yes,
how are you?
Oh, yes, Adom.
Minfono Muguso. Me shada by inspection.
Oh, they say the Nyamiadum. Papa Hono de
What so be shot the bia be ba me show to me shada bisau the progress of work
oh yeah, so far 1,500 acres of maize at about 10 years started harvesting. And we have 70,000 beds at Papao.
Wow.
Now the broilers first batch of 10,000 I am ready. I started Friday promotional sales. No, Friday we are but they are quite farms where you can get from 2.6, 2.8, even up to 3 kilos as of today.
It's so impressive.
They did nothing there, bro. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. National
Service Authority.
Bro, don't go there. Don't go there. Bro, why?
Oh, yes.
The Bubenya problem. What am I for time no why? Now CJ, out of 20,000 acres of land are now Buten3. They started 400 acres.
Out of 20,000 acres, no?
OCSB did 400 acres. You buy it, and assassin could develop yet me 1,500. It's man started corona hotro. Papa Wamika Hwasem, you had 300,000 beds a from Mastercard Foundation. OCSB Kachom said there was no Nkukubwa and Nkukonubegum. Until the Koma Aglu Farms, Nedako Farms. You buy Yana from February and you started the construction of that 100,000 capacity pottery house. Into a horror, Mr. Kajan Mananko. Into
a Bramo harvesting
this year, yeah.
Jose.
Yeah, why?
No, bro, how many months? Bro, how many months?
No credit.
Appointment.
I was appointed in March.
Into March now could you, bro?
No, bro, you get it.
August, where you?
Yes, that's it, bro. April. You do, bro. April.
Come on.
Oh, you know, Pastor, British Army Assembly no Army Assembly. And yes, all the bullets say manu fire. I was a DC for Central Front place. It's about 4 years. And man, Mr. Why about 2 years there? I can't you once.
But the worrying situation in Savannah region.
Yes.
Gyimie. Leading to the loss of about 10 people. And I'm happy he brought my tribe in because I'm a Kokumba.
Okay. So the Kokumba Nanumba war in C96. I was right there. And I'm happy, say, honey the Okanokre. Say, Asem Siwosrim, ne yell say, Asem na si hun tokwa na ye kwa. Be very careful. You miss it. Because, yes, even in school, back then I remember saying, Papa, Gyimie free what me bar school war. 66 artillery regiment 7 garrison school nyina ne ye de sere me ufa ha chakwan ne ye de sere